Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again on Bitcoin market. So the trading plan that they have created on Monday has worked nice. We talked about the pullback from the target around 68.70 approximately on the daily chart. This pullback has happened, and we said that an area around 66, it is interesting to consider taking a long position. So all this stuff has been completed. Market has shown this retracement, has shown upward bounce out from this predefined area. But now we have to make the next suggestion, what to expect and whether the area is still attractive for taking the long position or better to wait for something else. So let's take a look. On a weekly chart, we do not have something really new. October stands inside of the September action and mostly shows the performance that we discussed in details on a lower time frame. Trend remains bullish on the weekly chart. On a daily time frame, market stands in a reaction to major ABCD target. So here's the ABCD has been completed. It was finalized with this butterfly, or kind of the butterfly action, not quite the butterfly due to this spike down. On the top, we've got reversal session, all the stuff we talked about last time. And the retracement that we discussed has been completed. But the problem I see actually is twofold. First, the daily trend has turned bearish. So if we take a look at the MACD, unfortunately, we haven't got any grabber here. Second, we expect some pullback, some retracement in all other markets, including gold, dollar index, euro currency, and so on. So it means that on the Bitcoin, it also could follow slightly lower. At least at this point, I wouldn't hurry up with taking the new long position. If you have bought around 66, that's great. So here's the performance was right to this area. Now you could just move stops to the break even and see what will happen. Or take some minor profit if you would like to, or at least partially close some part of your position. Because with the performance of the other markets and the appearing of this minor grabber by the way on the 4 time frame chart, chances exist that market could try to show another swing down. So there's not a lot of information here on the definite upper continuation. Besides, the good entry point already has been reached. So this is the performance that you could see, all the stuff we talked about last time. And on average, we said this will be 66 because we have the 65.50. First there is 66.60, so on an average around these levels might be interesting, trend line and so on. So if you have bought here, moved up to the break even or tied it as close to current lows, because if market will keep going higher, it will not retest this lows, it will keep going higher. If not, we will get another downside action. So, but right at this point, with the daily trend has turned bearish, currently, I would wait for more clarity. If you have missed opportunities to buy here, at this point, probably better to do nothing and see what will happen. Because as I said, chance exists that on the Bitcoin could also show deeper retracement. If maybe it will not be the downside breakout right to the next 63 area, but it might be a deeper retracement inside of this most recent swing. So other words speaking, those who take in a long position could keep it with the break-even stops. Those who haven't taken a long position, at the current moment, I would prefer to wait and do not buy immediately due to all the stuff that I have just explained. For taking the short position, well, theoretically it's also possible. The only problem is that strong tendency on the weekly chart and overall fundamental background, the same as on the gold. And you need very small time scale to do this trade, so probably it should be somewhere 15-minute chart or somewhere. If you will find here some bearish patterns around this area, you could try to use it for taking the short position, but this is very short-term game, so we're not considered because the time frame is too small and we just will not be able to prepare any updates on these possible trading stops. That's why we do not watching on the time frames below the 1 hour. So that towards what we have from the Bitcoin market, and let's see whether it will be really wide reaction. I mean, in terms of the markets stand on all major markets, or Bitcoin once again could show a bit special performance.